GM friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a platform that's not very new, but it's come up on my radar a few times recently, and I've decided to do a video on it because I think it's going to help a lot of people out, especially if you're in the Solana ecosystem like I am. I think this is going to be a very useful video for yourself. But before I get started, per usual guys, nothing is financial advice in my video. So the platform is called AssetDash. They describe themselves as a platform where you can track your investments and earn rewards. But me personally, I look at them like a super app. You can get the app on the phone and on the website. I personally use it on the website. I've added it to my daily websites to visit. And what it is basically an all-in-one app. So what I mean by that is you can track like your multiple wallets on Solana. You can check the NFTs from them. You can do swaps within them. And all throughout doing all these different things, you can even learn in them as well, like there's different products you can learn about, etc. This is the platform. So what I'll do, I'll show you the wallet section. So this is how you look like when you want to sign up. This is the sign up page. You usually put my referral code and hit sign up. Then the next thing you want to do is connect your wallets. Go to wallets and then choose which wallets you want to connect. As you can see, you can even choose like centralized exchanges and other. It's like an all-in-one dashboard to track your investments, which is very cool. But I've only done my Solana stuff, so because I have an app, I use CoinStats Pro to track all of my like investments, etc. But this is like good. The way I use it is just for Solana, but I haven't used it for other things, so I can't really vouch for it. But I'm sure they should work well, or you can always talk to the team to improve different features. So I've just connected some of my Solana wallets to it, and yeah, it all showed up. Like it shows even my staked tokens. It shows it as SOL. It shows the balance and it's actually accurate. So once you say you want to connect your wallet, there's two ways. Either you have to do a small transaction, like a few pennies, to connect it straight away to prove that you own that wallet, or I think there's another way where you just have to send money from your wallet to their wallet, a very small amount. But that one takes an hour. So the one I done is just where you straight away, instant, you just approve a transaction and connects. It knows that you own that wallet, but just to prove that you're not just watching someone else's wallet, but you actually own that wallet. Once you've done that, there's a few different things you can do. There's a lot of things that I'm going to show you in a bit, all the different options. But here I've seen mine on member section. I couldn't find it somewhere, but I saved this link when I was doing the research. I don't know where it is here, where I found it earlier, but it's definitely somewhere here or somewhere here. There's a member link which takes you here. By the way, if you've already signed up, you can use my link. I think you have to click on invite code and then you just put that my code in there. If you've already got an account and you haven't joined with anyone's link, you can put that. Here you can see I've connected my Discord, my Twitter, and I'm on gold rank. What it does, what I find is quite cool, it actually checks your history. As you can see, there's the saga phone here. So if you want to see gold boost, I get boost for being like active in the space, and like this is not something I done now for the platform. It's just really, really cool that they actually look at your history and they give you extra benefits and reward your loyalty. What I want to show you actually, what I really like, before I get into that, let me just show you. If you want to boost all your rewards, they do have an NFT called, this one for you is called Elements, and this is the floor here, about 5 sols. But anyway, so let me show you what I really want to show you. I want to show you one of the best things that I like about this and why I would highly advise using this. So like I mentioned earlier, they do many things to learn. Actually, you can go to learn, and they have two main things on their website. You earn coins, which obviously potentially means there might be an airdrop in the future, and they have tickets. These tickets, they give you like entries into giveaways. They're like free giveaways, and you earn these tickets by doing different tasks like learning things and whatnot, right? And so what you want to do is learn all these. They're actually useful things that you want to learn, and then you accumulate the tickets and the coins. And what happens is they do, I think, weekly giveaways, and you enter into those giveaways via how many. The more tickets you have, the higher chance you have to win. And so you would definitely want to learn, and then you can go into market and you can look at different things that they're selling. One other thing that I like is on deals. On deals, they have like different assets or different Solana type services that you can probably get for like zero fee. Like they had one project that had zero fee for like a month or so, something like that. So that could be interesting. And then here, just go and double with the different things that are here as well. So we've got card, member. Yeah, I think that's where I saw my membership status. What I want to show you now is this. When you go into swaps, I think they take a small fee, like 0.2% fee or something very small, or even on lower. And what they do, right, is they give you a ton of other project tokens. If you saw at the start of my tweet, here you can see they're even tweeting about how many tokens that you get for swapping with them. So every time you swap with them, they probably use like Jupiter or someone in the background. They give you all these extra tokens on top. And then, like I said, remember earlier I said if you have the Element NFT, they'll give you a 30% extra. I personally haven't bought the NFT, but this is the old tweet. Now it's way higher. I think you can see here they give you so many more tokens. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually show you guys what you get. So let's swap one Solana for USDC. Put one. Bear in mind, I've only got this recently, and I've done the. It's logged me out. So let me see my swap rewards currently. I think these are the thresholds I need to get to for it to go to my prize wallet. That's the other thing. Once you connect your wallet, and these are the rewards I've got for swapping Solana to USDC once, and then swapping the USDC back to Solana. So these are already the rewards I've got. And now the way I see it, it's not much, but it adds up. Number one. Number two, you don't know which coin is gonna fly in the future. And number three is just a fun way of accumulating a lot of like semi good NFT, meme type projects. I just think it's quite fun. And then they've even got Mero here as well, which I think can go to $1. So if I've already got 1.2 for doing like 2 swaps, and this goes to $1, right? It's already paid for the fees, etc. And once I get to 28, then that's like $28, right? Let's actually do a swap Solana and USDC, just to show you guys live what you get for a swap of this size. Okay, 180. So look, guys, can you see like there's all these different tokens, and like I mentioned, they're not too much right now. But my plan is every few days or every time I need to do a legitimate swap, I'll just use them because I'll get extra rewards. And don't forget, the actual token might be an airdrop. Plus, you're going to get these tokens. And I think they'll give different prices. Okay, so I think let's do the review the order. For one, so I'll get 181. Place the order. Confirm. As you guys know, Solana's way fast and cheap. A new trade. See details. That's going to take you to that's fine. A new trade. Now I can go from I'll go from USDC back to Solana, and then right at the end we'll see how much rewards that we got. Is it 181 or 182? Yeah, so it's all roughly 181. Well, we'll just get a full sol. We'll do 182, and there's a small fee, etc. So they probably baked it into the rate. From 1 sol, I got just below 1 sol, which is fine, and I get all of these rewards access token. Can you see that? It's like 10, 15 tokens. And I think the good thing about this is, I think as they go along, and I need to do this faster because it rates out. I think what will happen in the future is more and more better projects and these meme type projects like Bonk, etc. will give rewards. So it's a win-win for everyone. It's a win-win for them because they get exposure. It's a win-win for AssetDash because they're giving they're helping people learn about products, etc. And it's a win-win for the user. So what else you want to do, guys? You want to refer other people as well. Use my code, and then you can refer other people with your code. But as you can see, guys, I've done 4 swaps of like 1 sol each, back and forth, and I've already this kind of token, just to give you an idea of what you can expect based on your rewards. I think this was 1.2. I think it's gone to 1.6. So I think you can't withdraw straight away. You have to hit the threshold, which is the second number, to be able to withdraw. But still, guys, I think very reasonable, so that people don't game the system and they actually do use it. I think that's a good measure, and it's not really that high as well. It's quite doable. Anyway, guys, so that's AssetDash, guys. I highly recommend it. I would actually use it even without all these rewards. But I just thought this is actually a cool product that you guys should know about, because I'm surprised even I didn't know about it until like recently, and it's very useful. There you go, guys. I hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.